So we are going to analyze this pair. Then after we analyze the pair, then we'll go to another pair, and you will analyze the that one yourself.
Okay, sir.
So what is the first thing we are going to do when we just come to a chart like this? The first thing we are going to do is to what is the first thing you're going to do when you come to a chart like this now? What is the first thing? What is your first step of your the first action you are going to take?
To analyze the market.
Yes, to analyze the market, what is the first action you are going to take to analyze the market?
Is to go and take your this thing. You get you measure the thing. Starting from weekly or monthly. Let me analyze now about that.
Okay, come again, come again. I'm not trying to you. All the game are far from the computer.
Mba, I'm close to the thing. Yeah, you be do you were your this thing. Just saying, yeah, will be do from weekly or from monthly. Will let me analyze. Will about that.
You're talking about top down analysis. Is that
Yes,
correct?
sir. Yes, sir.
And that is very, very correct. So right now we are going to do just that. So you have to go to the let's start from the weekly. Let's start from the
Okay.
weekly time frame. So go to the weekly time frame.
Okay, I know my dear now.
Okay, so looking at the weekly, what are you seeing? Is this market a bullish market or a bearish market?
The bullish uptrending market.
Yes, an uptrending market. In other words, a bullish market. Is a what?
Yes. Bullish market.
A bullish market. So I'm already seeing it, and having said that, I'm seeing a key level. I'm already seeing a key level right there. I think I'm seeing two. So go and pick up your level, the rectangle to for us to map out the level I'm seeing. Mamla out here in the pool.
Uh,
Yeah, very good, very good.
okay, pick again, yeah. I don't know.
So I'm seeing a level there. There's a level. No, you go. No, not there, not there. Keep going left. Keep going left. Keep going left, left, left. Yeah, go left. Okay, okay. Come down, come down. It's okay. Come down. Keep coming down. Keep come down a little more. Okay, okay. From there, draw it to the right side. Keep going to the right side. What did you pick? You pick a trend line. I said pick a key level, not trend line.
Okay.
Delete that thing that you pick. I didn't say that one. Pick a not a trend line. Go and pick the right tool for that.
That's starting from here, sir.
Yes. Um, exactly. That's stop. It's okay. It's okay. So how do you see it? Did you see this level before we draw this before we asked you to draw it out? Did you see it
No,
before?
no, I do not see it. This is the place I'm looking.
So how does it look to you now? Does it make sense to you? How does it look now that you have mapped it out? Does it make sense? Does it make sense to you?
No, no, sir.
Hmm?
No, sir.
Now that you have mapped out the level, does the level make sense? The level is so simple. It was there before, but you didn't see it. But now that I've shown you the level, it doesn't make sense to you.
I'm trying to check it, sir.
Do you understand it?
No.
Okay, one second, one second, I'll be back.
Okay, sir.
Okay, are you still there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I was asking you, do you understand what we just did? The level we mapped out, do you understand it? We have been doing it before, it's not our first time. But do you understand the level or you are confused about it?
Yes,
Which one?
I'm confused about it. I'm trying to.
Okay, do you have any question you can ask?
Yes, because I don't understand it. Kamadoku and Kaumania.
Okay,
I'll try to check it too.
ask your question. Ask your question.
Actually, okay, Kawara mi, yes, sir.
Okay, that means I will have to share my own screen. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So, so the screen you are sharing on your own computer, you will see the small screen. Go to the small screen, put your mouse on it, you will see remove. Remove your own so that I will share my own. Put your mouse on it at the at the bottom of the small screen you're seeing on the bottom. My own listing, my name is showing everything. Put the mouse on your own, you will see remove. No, not there at the bottom, not on the chart. You're not seeing it.
No, I'm not saying it. Let me go. I want to say I want to tell it. No, for second now.
Okay. Remove it from where you. Okay, I see me now.
Yes, I'm saying
Are
you.
you seeing my screen now?
Yes.
Are you seeing my own screen now?
And now for your own screen now.
Are you seeing my chart?
Yes, I'm seeing it.
What pair am I on?
Good, good
Hello?
spot. Good, good,
US dollar.
good.
Okay.
USD.
So the let's go to the pair. Okay, I'm going to that same pair, Euro USD. Okay, so we are on the weekly time frame, right?
Yes.
Okay, it's loading up. Okay, it has loaded. I have to clear my. Let me clear every drawing that I have here. For three drawings, clear the whole drawing. Hold on, 1 second.
Yes, sir.
Just hold on, it's coming. Okay, I've done that. Let me remove my. Okay, so this is the same chart. Okay,
Yes, sir.
are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, this is the same chart. So you placed your key level, you mapped it out this way. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so this market was once what? A downtrend,
Yes, sir.
a low. It was once what? A
Downtrend.
downtrend coming from. It was. If you look at it, it was once a downtrend here, an uptrend here, a downtrend here. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And then an uptrend here. Okay, it came here and gave you a downtrend that didn't play out completely. So the market was just ranging, gave you an uptrend here. Hold on, not to confuse you. So this was an uptrend. Here it gave
Yes, sir.
you a downtrend here. And then an uptrend. This is an uptrend. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
this is a downtrend. This is an uptrend. And this is a measured downtrend. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Good. And right now, this market at this point, this is a high, a low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a lower high, a lower low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a higher low. So the way I'm seeing this market is coming down to retest this same key level to keep on buying. But before let's so follow me now so that you understand what we are
Yes,
doing
sir.
because we are trying to analyze this market. So the reason why there's a key level here is because this market was buying from here and then it came this place. Okay, it came this to this point, which is now the resistance. Okay, this point it is simply the same thing as what I taught you before. This is a high, this is a low, this is a higher high, this is a what? A
Higher
higher
low,
low, this is a what? A
higher
higher
high,
high, this is a what? A
higher
higher
low,
high, this is a what? A higher
higher
high
high.
now. So this is the key level right here. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
This is a what?
Key level.
A key level. So this same level you are seeing here is the same thing as this one that I placed here. Do you
Yes, sir.
understand that?
Yes, sir.
So what this market did from this point, so from this point, come here, come back here, go up here, do this, go here, come back here, break above the level, retest it, buy up, come down, buy up again, come down, buy, coming down now. We can just draw it out. Watch, let me draw it out. using this tool. Okay,
Yes, sir.
the market was giving you what? Or giving you what? An uptrend.
Uptrend.
Hold on, was giving you an uptrend. Hold on, I'm coming. Market gave you an uptrend this way. Came down, back down. Give you another one. Okay, came back down. Came back down. Give you another one. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and then he came back down. Came back down to this level. Okay, and then he went back up around this level, and then he came down. This market came down around this level, and then he went back up, did this, and then he bought to this level again, and then he sold down to this level, and then this market bought above this level, retested it, bought up again, came back down, bought up, came back down again, went up, came back down again, went up again, and came down, came down, went up, and then right here. So this is the level. You have to pay much attention to understand this thing. So this market you are seeing here. Are you seeing
Yes, sir.
my screen very well?
Yes, sir.
So this market you are seeing here, this market you are seeing here, all of this market you are seeing here is the same thing that I have just draw out like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when if you want to make it simpler, you go to the monthly time frame so that the market can filter out the noise. Hold on, it's loading. You go to the what?
Monthly time frame.
Monthly time frame. So what do you see now on the monthly time frame? What do you see now on the monthly time frame?
All the same thing need draw.
Good. So now on the monthly time frame, you can see that this market is even on a downtrend. It has been on a downtrend. So how to see it? Here is it was an uptrend before. This is a high. This is a low. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
This is a what?
Higher high, a higher, higher
This
high,
is a what? A higher high,
high, a higher low,
a higher low, a higher
a
high,
higher,
an
a
equal
higher
low,
low.
a higher high. Okay, and then the market somehow started turning to a downtrend. So this is a high, this is a low now. This is still a higher low because this low is still higher than this one. And then a lower high. And then what?
A
And then
lower
what?
low, a lower
A
low,
lower low. And then what? A lower high.
a lower
One
high.
second, please. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here is what a lower high. So after a lower high, what do you expect in the market after a lower high?
You want a lower low?
But this market did not come to give you a lower because it didn't come to give you a lower low because if it had come down here to close around here, it would have been a lower low. Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, I got to be able to a lower low there.
Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
Or the market came and give you a kind of an equal low because even with the week, it's not an equal low. This low is not a lower low. So it stopped around here, giving you a higher low. But then here now is where a little confusion comes in. But then after this, it still came up to give you what? Another lower,
High.
hello? Another lower high. Perfect. So
Another
after the lower high, it now came down. It now
do a
sold
lower low.
down to give you
A lower low.
a
A
serious
lower low.
lower low. And this lower low is way lower. The distance from here to this point is much. It's way lower than all these three. Telling you that this trend, this market is in a what? A serious downtrend.
Downtrend.
After this lower low, it came to give you what?
A lower
Another
high.
lower high. And then after the lower high, it came to give you what? Another low that is not even a lower low. So you can notice something here, even though the market does not clearly print out lower lows. Okay, it
Yes, sir.
doesn't clearly print out lower lows as it's supposed to, but you can realize that the market is maintaining to print to give you your lower highs, making you confirm that it is in a what? A serious what?
Downtrend.
Downtrend. So after this higher low it gave you here, it still came up to give you a lower high again. So you can see that here is the lower high, a 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 lower. All the lower highs are clean, easy to notice, easy to see. Do you understand that? But the lower lows are not that much clean. If you're not an expert trader yet, you may get confused. But that does not matter because the market is giving you what? It's giving you what?
Downtrend market.
It's giving you lower highs. It's giving you lower highs. I don't know if you are understanding what I'm saying. So after this lower high, the market came down again
Give you
to give you a serious and confirmed what?
a lower low.
A serious and confirmed lower low.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after a
Yes, sir.
lower low, what are you expecting in the market after a lower low?
A lower high.
You expect to get a lower high. So the market tried to give a lower high here, okay, which tried to sell, but it didn't sell to come and give you a lower low. It tried to give, the market tried to give, hold on, the market tried to give a lower high here, okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
then to sell. But then the selling wasn't that serious, isn't that serious, okay?
Yes,
And
sir.
then it tried to buy and then tried to buy and came back to that same level again. And then they tried to sell again. But the selling wasn't that much serious. And then the market broke above these two levels here. Okay. Are you
Yes, sir.
following me?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Al
Broke
mafia,
above
I'm
these
not
two
needed.
levels here. So at this point, remember we are in a serious downtrend on the monthly time frame. So at this point, the market has done its the market is doing its lower high to sell again to give you a new lower low. I don't know if you really understand that.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question?
No, sir.
So now
No,
you have to realize that it is the
the
same
question,
thing.
the question nwere iju bụ ka m ga-esi were mụrụ ala ọ chọrọ ime a lower low. At this point, now, two is already now.
Let me show you something now.
Okay.
Let me show you something now. Let me show you something now. There's even a level right here. I'm even seeing a key level right here. There's a key level right here. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
There's a what? A key level right there.
Key level.
Do you understand this key level?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us remove the key level first. Trading is very simple. It's not that it's not difficult. Now, please follow me accordingly so that we can finish analyzing this market. Remember, we are still on the what monthly time frame. So
Yes.
I've been able to show you that this market is in a what a downtrend. So monthly, the monthly, the monthly, the monthly, the monthly is what?
A downtrend.
Downtrend. The monthly is downtrend. Have you seen that? And how is it a downtrend? Because it is giving you a bearish market structure. This is a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower what?
Lower high.
Hello,
A lower high.
a lower high, and then I came here and give you a higher low, but then I gave you a lower
Almost
high,
equal.
which
Almost
maintains,
equal.
which maintains almost equal low. But then after that, it came to give you what? A lower high, which
Lower high.
maintains the downtrend. After the lower high, it gives you a serious lower low. After the lower low, it gives you what? A
Lower
lower
high.
high. After this lower high, it gives you what? Another higher
Lower
low.
low.
You said?
Higher low.
Give you this higher low, but then it still came and give you what? A lower high. After this lower high, the market came down again to give you a serious
Lower
lower
low.
low. Because this lower low, the gap from this one and this one and this one, they are much.
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
So the market will now come. The market will now come to give you what? Another what?
Higher low.
Hello?
A higher low.
The market will now come and give you a lower high to come and give you a lower low again.
Lower low.
Because this is what? A downtrending market. I don't know why you are getting these things wrong. We've been doing things severally over so many days. We've been doing this over so many days. This is an uptrend. This is a high. This is a low. This is a higher high. This is a lower high. This is a higher high. This is a lower high. This is a higher high. This is a lower high. After a lower high, you get what? Another higher high. This is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. I don't know why you are not getting these things correct though. So then for a downtrend, this is a what? A high. This is a low. This is what? A lower high. This is what?
A lower low.
A lower low. This is what?
A lower high.
A lower high. And this is what?
A lower
Lower
low.
low. And this is what?
A lower
Lower
high.
high. The market can still come. The market can decide to come here this way. Okay, here
Yes,
this
sir.
way. Okay, storm here, went up, go up again this way. Eh?
Yeah.
Come down again this way. Go up again this way. Come down this way to still give you a lower low. You don't know before.
I know.
It can still do this to still come out. It is until for this market now to change from this point. This is the levels. Here is the level. Here is the level, and here is is the lower low. Here is the lower low. I don't know. This is not hard. Yes, this is the this is the at this point. At this point is the high. Is the high. Okay. At this point. At this point is the what? The
Hello.
low. Yeah. Then at this point is the what? The lower high. Here is the lower high. Let's mark it out. Let's mark them out first. Good. So let's now label them. Here is the high. Here is the lower high. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And here is a what? After a lower high, you get a what?
A lower low.
You get a lower low. After a lower low, you get after a lower low. This lower low now we push up to go and give you another lower high. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
So after a lower high, this lower high will sell again. Okay, it will sell again to come and give you another lower low. And after a lower low, what again will you get? The market will push up to give you a lower high
A lower
again.
high.
And after a lower high, the market will sell to give you what? A lower
A
low.
lower low.
And after a lower low, the market will come up again to give you what? A lower
A lower
high.
high.
And after a lower high, the market will come down to give you what?
A lower low.
Another lower low. So do you understand? Do you understand this? I just
Yes,
read
sir.
out. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
So now this market right here now, okay, is what? Is a downtrend. Is a downtrend like this. Is a what?
Downtrend.
Is a what? A downtrending market.
Downtrend.
Is a downtrending market. A down what? Trending
Trending
market.
market.
Is a downtrending market. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now for this market now to change to an uptrend, okay. Remember, at this point here is a what? This point now that I am is a what?
A lower low.
So after a lower low, what do you get?
A lower high.
Hmm?
A lower
A
high.
lower high. Good. So now, but remember, this is a downtrending market. Okay. Now, for
Yes,
this
sir.
market now to change to an uptrending market, what will happen first?
You do a lower high.
It will not do a lower high. It will go and break above this level to give you a higher high now. Okay, to give you a higher high now. Because this is the level of this. This is the level of this. This is the level of this recent lower high. Okay, the market to come and break above this lower high to go and give you a higher high, because this high now is now higher. This is now a higher high, because this high now is now higher than this one. Is now, this is the level. I don't know if you understand this. So when this thing happens now, the market has changed to an uptrend. And after a higher high, okay, the market will come down. It will come down, okay.
Yes, sir.
The market will hold on, give you a higher high. After this, the market will come down. Excuse me. The market will come down, okay, to retest. It will come down to give you what?
A higher
A
low.
higher low, no more a lower low. Because this low now is now higher than this one. And then to give you a new higher high again. And then I what? Another higher low again. To give you a new what? Higher high again. Do you see how this market has changed from a downtrend to an uptrend?
Yes, sir.
Now, pay attention now. When this market wants to change from this downtrend to an uptrend, it will not just move straight line, yeah, this way. Market will just begin to move like this. It will come up, it will still go down, okay,
Yes, sir.
come up again, okay, go down, come up again, okay, go down, come up again, okay, go
Yes, sir.
down, and then come up again. Do you understand what is going on here?
Yes, sir.
So do you just understand this? Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Are you really sure you understand this?
Yes, I understand it.
Do you have any question on this thing? Because
The
we have
question.
been discussing this same thing for some months now. It's not difficult. It's so simple. Once you understand this thing very very well, then you are very good to go. Do you understand this thing?
Yes, sir. Yeah,
This
actually,
market
Jobu.
was, yes.
Mgbe ọla shi me uptrending. When mmadụ get trend with
Hmm.
that time, which is rest ya na from down for downtrend.
No, no, no.
Obido.
It's not advisable to trade it when it's going, because you are not sure. You are not sure if it's this thing is simple. This is this is a lower high. Okay, this thing is simple. It's not hard. Hold on. This thing is very simple. Hold on. I don't know why you're making this thing seem hard for you. Believe me. Hold on 1 second. Okay. 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 Are you seeing this thing?
Yes, sir.
This thing is not hard. It's very, very simple. So this market, you see the levels now, the lower high levels. Did you see it?
Yes, sir.
So this, as long as this market continues to give you lower highs, it is what? A downtrend. Is what?
Downtrend.
A downtrend. I'm making this thing just to become very simple for you. I don't know what else I will. A downtrend. These are the levels. I'll still mark them out for you on the real chart now. It's a downtrend. I think the levels.
Yes, sir.
Very good. These are the levels. So now watch. This level now, this is the line for it. This is the line for this level. Eh? This one
Yes, sir.
too. This is the line for it. This one too. This is the line for it. This is the level. I don't put a line there to show the level. Okay? And this one too. And this one too. This one, this is the line for it. This is the line for it. You see the line?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
So for this market, had they been this market here, this level here, had they been this level here, came and if this level here came and touched this one like this and did not break above it, then it is still a what? A downtrend. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
I don't know why you're not responding. Or if
Oh,
this level
network.
here
I'll
came
respond.
here
Oh,
and touched this
network.
one, okay, if this level here came and touched this one like this, and did not break above it at this level, I'm the one that put the line just to show the level. So this one came to this level and did not break above it, then it is still a what? A
A
downtrend. But this
downtrend.
market, had even came here and closed above this one like this, above it, okay, then it has turned what? It has turned
Uptrend.
to an uptrend because it has broken the structure of a downtrend. It will now, the market will now continue to buy, or it will try to come down small to give you a higher low and then give you a higher high again. The market always move in this pattern. I don't know if you understand this.
Yes, sir.
So it's the same thing now that I just showed you here now at this point now. Eh? It's the same thing that happened here too. Because the market broke above this level. It's the same thing that happened here too. I don't know if you understand.
Yes, sir.
I don't know if you really understand.
Yes, I understand it.
So this one now is a what? An uptrend. Because it's an uptrend. For this market now to turn to a downtrend, what will happen? What will happen?
You will go down and
Instead
break
of
the
giving you, instead of giving you, instead of giving you a higher low, it will come and break this it will come and break this one
yeah,
to give you a lower low.
hello.
Come and break it like this.
Yeah.
And then it will come like this. It will come like this. And to do what again? Come like this. I don't know if you understand this thing.
Yes, sir.
Do you really understand what I have explained to you so far?
Yes, sir. The point Obula the thing is higher low. Or get break
Okay,
it.
very good.
Or get break this one. Obula or break it where you man like the trend in the capano higher high. Or get break it this previous higher
Very
low.
good. The trend is an uptrend until the break here. Very good. So the same thing now is happening on this market. So for this market now, to change structure and turn to an uptrend, what will happen? It will come and break above this one here, this level here. This is now a real market. This is the level. Here is also a level. Please, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
This is also a level. The same thing now I was showing you now on the drawing. This is not the real market. Same thing. This is the level of it. This is the level of it. Do you understand this? And this is what? The level of it. Please, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's not
Hello?
problem.
So for
Hello,
this
sir.
market now to turn to so for this market now to turn to an uptrend, because right now it is a downtrending market. For this market now to turn to an uptrend, this
Yes,
market
sir.
will come here. Okay, it will come here to break above this level. This level now to break above was the recent what? Lower high. This is the lower high of this market. This is the recent lower high. This is the lower high now. It's not hard to see. It's a
Yes,
lower
I'm
high.
not feeling
This
up
level
break.
now, this line now is a recent lower high. Okay,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
making it simple for you to understand. This is also a lower high. This is also what? A lower high
Lower high.
again. This is also what again? A lower high
Lower
again.
high.
This is also what again? A lower high again. What again? A lower high again. Is there anything different now from this real market now and the one I just drew out? Is there anything different from this one? This one? It's the same thing.
Yes, sir.
So until this market now break above this one like this here, break above it like this and close above it too. You see, until above it like this, then we now know that this market has broken structure. It has broken structure. Market has broken structure. Please, do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Change of character and the break of structure. So I don't know if you really understand this.
Yes, I understand this. I'll get broke with that thing. Or
So
turn
for the
with
fact that this
up
market has
or
not
down.
yet broken, so for the fact that this market has not yet broken structure, has not come and turned to uptrend, we are only expecting what it has done a lower high to give us a lower low. It has done what? A lower high, which is centered as this again. You draw it out like this. And then you target your what?
A lower
You
high.
target your lower high again. So after this lower high, you are going to expect a what? A lower low. Please, don't you understand this?
I understand this.
Do you really understand this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 second, I'm coming.
Okay.
Hello?
Sir?
So have you really understand this thing?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any do you really this video is on live so that after we finish you can still go and watch this same video again. Okay?
Yes, I'm going to watch it.
Everything we've been doing since you can still go and watch it again. Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we have been able do you have any questions so far?
No. ihe pikiri dị ya ihe mere understandable ọ ga-break with that
Do you?
instruction. Ọ ga-break bịa that means loton be down trend or up trending.
Right now, the market is the downtrend. Overall break is a structure. That means it has no change to uptrend.
Yes,
It
sir.
means it is still in downtrend.
Downtrend.
And when the market is in a downtrend, you should be looking for opportunity to sell.
Yes, sir.
When the market is in a downtrending market, you should be looking for chances to sell. When the market is in an uptrend, you should be doing what? Looking for what? Opportunities to buy. Please, do you really understand this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so having said all of these things now, okay, let me remove this drawing to keep the chart neat because I love keeping the chart very neat. So let me hide this drawing. Let me hide it. No, I just hide all of them. Okay, so you understand what we have drawn so far, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, so now even after knowing that this market is still a what on a downtrend, I'm also seeing a level here. Okay, that is part of analysis. Hold on. I want to delete this one because we have done that. So I'm seeing a level right here. I'm seeing a key level right here. There's a key level here.
Yes, I'm seeing it.
You see that?
Yes, sir.
So when the market came here, so at this point it touched it as support, it pushed price up. Price still came here again and touched that same level at that same area. It pushed price up. Price still came to touch that same level. Okay, it pushed price up. And when price broke below it, this is the area where price broke the line. Please, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
It broke below. So now here it was support, but now it has broken it. And once it broke it, it has now turned resistance. So here price came back to that line and pushed price down. It is now what resistance. Price still came back to that same spot again. Okay, and what it pushed price down as resistance. So we have first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, and fifth touch. So this level is a strong level. What does this mean? That if price ever comes to touch it again for the third time, it will do what? It will push price what?
Down.
Down. If price ever comes to touch it again, even price tried to touch it here. Price even tried to touch it here small. Here small. Okay, but it didn't touch it small. So if price ever, it means that if price ever comes to touch it for the sixth time, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will push price down. Okay, so we now bear that in mind. But very simple, we are what on a downtrend. So at this point now, monthly is what downtrend. Monthly is downtrend. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now we move down to the what weekly time frame. So weekly is loading. So this is our weekly time frame. Okay. So this is that level. This is that level that I marked out now. The monthly it is now bigger because we're in the weekly time frame, but I'm still understanding what I'm doing. Please, are you following me?
Yes, sir.
So now I have to also analyze what is the weekly time frame doing. Okay, so what I can see here now, I have to put I'm seeing a level first. Anything I'm seeing, I have to put it, I'm seeing a level. This is the level I'm seeing on the weekly. A level is here on the weekly. You can see that level.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So right now, okay, weekly was buying here, was uptrend here. Okay,
Yes, sir.
was what was uptrend here, and then at this point, it gave me a confusion. Okay,
Yes, sir.
a confusing market, which is fine. But then here it gave me what, a downtrend.
The trend.
But here it gave me what, an uptrend here. So do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now let us mark out this uptrend. Now this is a low. This is a high. This is a lower high. This is the higher low. This is a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low. It came here and gave me a lower high, a lower low. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
And then and then and then a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. But then it give me what? A lower low, taking out this low and this low and this low. You gave me a sign that this market is going to be selling. No. So right now, at the end, now after this lower low, you give me a lower high. After a lower high, I'm expecting a lower low. After a
Yes,
lower
sir.
low, I'm expecting a what?
A lower high.
A lower high. After a lower high, I'm expecting what? A lower low.
Okay.
And then this, and then this, and then this. So this market now, from the weekly, from what I'm saying on the weekly, it was once bullish, but now it is beginning to turn to a downtrend. It was once an uptrend, but now it is starting to turn to a
A
downtrend because
downtrend.
of what is giving me right here. But I will wait. I will not join the market yet. Okay, I will prefer for the market to come down below this level, because remember, once the price touch the level here, it sell. It touch hold on, because once the price touch this level here, it does what?
He said.
It sell. It touch it again here. It does what? It
He
sell.
said.
So I would like the price to do everything you have to do to come to this level, okay, to break below it, and then retest it this way, and then I will sell, and then I will sell. So where am I selling to? I'm selling for the price to come down. If you look at the monthly, back to the monthly, I'm selling for the price to come down to give us a lower low. I hold the monthly time frame. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you really understand?
Yes, sir.
To give us what?
A lower low.
To give us a lower low. But if that did not happen, and price did not want to come and give a lower low, and price even comes up here now, okay, to take out this level, this lower high, it shows that price has started to change structure. I will wait so that price will now take out another lower high again and come up this way. Then I will be sure that this price has turned to an uptrend. I will now start looking for chances to buy. So the market will always be telling you what it's going to be doing. So right now, back to the weekly. The weekly is what? The weekly is a downtrend also. The weekly is a downtrend. Please, do you understand how we got to this downtrend on the weekly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now moving down to the daily time frame. Okay, very good. This is now the what? The daily time frame. So you know where we are so far?
Daily time frame. I know la downtrend. The
Yeah,
monthly and the weekly is
very good.
downtrend.
Very good. So the daily is still simple. The daily is same thing. The market was once giving us an uptrend. This is a high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low. Came here and gave us what? A higher high. You can still decide to read this one here. Even though you want to read it, here is a lower high, but then give you a higher low and give you a higher high. So it's simply an uptrend. And then after this higher high, the market came and broke structure. Remember, if you are studying market structure, this is the higher high, this is the higher high, okay? This is the what? The higher low, okay? Is that correct? This is the what? The higher high. This is the what? The higher low. This is the what? The higher high. Please, are you following me?
Yes,
This
sir.
is the what? The higher low, okay? This is the what? The higher high. You don't have to count this one because the market has already went and give you a higher high. This is the higher low. This is the what? The higher high. Okay. Even if you want to
Yes,
count this one too, it doesn't matter. This does not matter because market has already given a higher high. So delete it. Now after this, now remember, for the market to turn to a downtrend, it will come and break this. Come and break this what? This is your last lower higher low. Our market has finally came down from this point to come and market would have given you another higher low like this, eh? To come and give you a higher high again. But market did not do that. Rather, it came and broke structure and turned to a downtrend. It came here and closed below this one, giving you a lower low now. And after giving this lower low, it came up here to give you simple, keep it simple. I can start to still read this one here and this one here, but no need because so market come give you this one and still get here to give you what a lower high because this high is no longer higher than this one. It's not a lower high. So now it's coming to give you another lower low. But you can see that it does not move. It does not move in a straight line like this. Fear. No, even though it's coming to give you a lower low, okay, it's still giving you market structure. See, a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, another lower low, another lower high, another lower low. Please, do you understand this?
yes, sir. Oh, the daily is still a
So,
downtrend.
do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Daily is still a downtrend. Daily is still a what?
Downtrend.
A downtrend. Daily is still a downtrend. Thank you so much. Daily is still a downtrend. Daily is a downtrend. So now we move down. We move down to the what? To the 4 hours.
4 hours.
It's loading. So now seeing 4 hours very clearly, no need to stress yourself to be going far back like from this side. You focus on what is happening now. It was once an uptrend here,
Downtrend.
a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low. You see, an equal high, a higher low, an uptrend, a higher high, a higher low, a what? A higher high. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
And then it gave you a higher low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, okay, a higher high. Are you seeing that?
Yes, sir.
So to keep it very simple, focus on what is happening now. So looking at this 4 hours time frame now, right now, what are you seeing now? Is it a downtrend?
You see the downtrend.
Because to focus on what's happening now, here is a what? A high.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and here is a low. And here is a what? A lower
Lower
high.
high.
And here is a what? A lower
Lower
low.
low.
And here a lower low. And here is a
Lower,
what? A lower high.
lower
And
high.
here is a what? A lower low.
Lower
So
low.
it's coming, it is coming to, it has given you a lower high to come and give you what? A lower
A
low.
lower low.
Please, do you
Down.
see that?
Yes, sir.
But even though it's like this, eh? Even though it's like this, remember, market does not move in a straight line like this. No, it moves in this same pattern. Every movement market moves in this same pattern too. No matter small or big, always like this, always like this. You see it?
Yes,
So
sir.
even though that we just marked out this thing like this now, you can see that there are still markets inside this market. There is still structure inside structure. Like here now, here now is a high. Here now is a high. Here now is a low. Here now is a what? A
Uh-huh.
lower high. Here now
Lower,
is a what?
lower
A
low.
lower low. Even inside, even from this point down to this point, there is still a market inside it you can study. From
Yes,
here
sir.
now to up here too, market inside it. Now let's take for example. Here is a high. Here is a low. Here is a lower high. Okay. Here is a
Yes.
what? Here is a what? A lower
Lower,
low. Here is a lower high. Here is a what? A lower low.
lower low.
This is called
Structure.
structure inside what? Structure.
Structure. Structure.
So when the market is coming to give you a lower low, it will come with a downtrend market structure, but it's a structure inside structure. And when it's going to give you a lower high, it will go with an uptrending structure, but it's a small structure inside structure. This one, for example, here is a low, here is a high, here is a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, then it changed to a downtrend. Here is the lower high now. It has not broken structure here. Give you what? Do you
A lower.
understand this, please?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
So the 4 hours.
Still a
So the four
downtrend.
hours is still what?
And downtrend.
The 4 hours is still a downtrend. So we go down to the 2 hours. So now, this is now time. This is now time you'll be getting ready to take a trade. If it's now time you're getting ready to know when to take a trade from the 2 hours, 1 hour. So the 1 hour, I'm seeing a level here on the 2 hours now. There's a level I'm seeing here. Okay, this is the level I'm seeing. Let's remove this to keep it very neat. I'm seeing a level. Take your level, you bring it from here, you stretch it from. Do you see that level? Do
Yes, sir.
you see that level?
Yes.
I can't hear anything from you.
Yes, sir. On network.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
touched it here. You touched it here. You touched it here. You touched it where? Touched it here again.
Yes, sir.
And then he broke here. This is the place he broke it. Now it has it remember when the market was above this line. What is above it? You touch it, you go up. You touch it again, what? You go up. Touch it again, you go up. Touch it again, here, you go up. But when the price is below it, if you touch it, it will go down. So now the price is now below it here. Okay. So this market will
Yes.
go down. It's going to go down. It will go down. Please, do you see that?
Yes, sir. That means 2 hours
So the
they do
two
a
hours
downtrend.
a downtrend. The 2 hours is a downtrend. So now let's go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour is still the same thing. 1 hour is still the same thing. 1 hour is a downtrend. Nothing much to discuss. 1 hour is a downtrend. 1 hour is also a downtrend. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Then the 30 minutes is still a downtrend. It's still a downtrend. It's still the same thing, downtrend. 15 minutes also. So now wash. Please wash. Please wash.
Yes, sir.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
So on the 15 minutes now, I can see that this market has a very serious bullish up move. You see it? Healthy up move. Okay, came here and gave you this high, gave you this low, this higher high, but then it give you a lower low, give you a lower low, a lower high,
Lower,
a lower low,
a
a
lower
lower
high.
high again, a higher low, a higher low. You see that? Then a higher high, then a higher low. I'm seeing a level on this 15 minutes now. I'm seeing a level here also. A level is here also 15 minutes. This is the level.
Yes, I'm seeing it.
Very good. So now the 15 minutes is showing an uptrend. Please, do you see that?
Yes, sir.
Do you see that the 15 minutes is showing an uptrend right now?
Yes, sir.
So what will you do? You cannot take a trade. You have to wait for 15 minutes to turn to a downtrend, to break below this level it has here, retest it, and then you take your trade. Do you see how we have analyzed the market starting from the monthly and looking at every detail? Here we all the one by one until we get here.
Yes, sir.
I want to hear the confusion in how sense. People I say me gradually la wash here one by one or follow. So
Yes,
now
sir.
this sell. So now on this USD, I'm seeing a sell. I'm anticipating a sell. But today is Friday. This sell is not going to happen today. It's not going to happen today and give any money. This sell is going to happen next week. Once okro 10, this 9, market they close. So this sell I'm seeing now on this USD will happen when?
Next week.
Next week. Will happen next week. Will happen when?
Next week.
Will happen next week. So do you understand everything we have done now? So this video is live. I will send you the link. You can still watch it again. So that our class tomorrow, we have class again this evening. Today.
Yes, sir.
We have class again this evening again today. So that in our next class this evening again today,
Yes,
you
sir.
will have to analyze a market like this, starting from the monthly down to 15 minutes, one by one. You will start doing that. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So when I mention a key level, when I say a key level, I don't know because you used to get confused when I say a key level. Okay, this thing right here now is a key level.
I'm not
I
seeing it,
just
sir.
press the key level. This one now is the key
Okay,
level.
okay, I'm
Eh?
seeing it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I'm seeing it now.
This place now is the key level. This is the key level. I'm seeing the level here. So you have to train your eyes to start seeing this thing. Here, this is the key level. Is a what? A
A
key
key
level.
level.
Because when the market was below it, he touched it, he sell, he touched it again, he sell massively, he touched it again, he sold, he broke. See, market broke above it here. Okay, we tested it, went up. We test price has now retested it again, and it's not going up. So I have to wait for it to, and even before God and man, I'm seeing this sharp pattern here, this head and shoulder here. I'm seeing head and shoulder pattern here. I'm seeing head and shoulder pattern here, head and shoulder pattern. But let's not go to this one. So what am I trying to say is that on our next class, or let's do it now. Are you ready? Are you ready now to analyze a pair on your own?
Actually, maybe I should get this thing again.
Okay, very good. So you wash it, take your time to wash it, and then this evening, okay, or when you finish washing it, when you are ready, you message me so that we will do a class. You have to analyze the pair just the way I have done it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mm, yes. So we'll end the live now. Then I will send the link to the video so that you can go and watch it again.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you have any question or confusion, you write them down or send voice message or video the confusion and send to me on WhatsApp so that when we come on our class again, we can I can answer and clear your question for you to have more understanding. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So we are now doing now you have to continue doing practice of what you've been learning so far so that it will be mastering you. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I will send the link to this video. You take your time to watch it again.
Okay, sir.